Question 15. Triangle ABC is right-angled at B, with AB 8 centimetres. D is a point on AC with AD 5 centimetres, and the area of the smaller triangle ABD is 10 square centimetres. Find BC. The clever step is to use triangle ABD to find angle A. Because D is on AC, the angle at A is the same in both triangles. The area of a triangle is a half times 2 sides times the sine of the angle between them. Here, the two sides from A are AB, 8, and AD, 5. So 10 equals a half times 8 times 5 times sine A, which is 20 sine A. Therefore, sine A is 10 over 20, a half, and angle A is 30 degrees. Now the big right-angled triangle. Angle A is 30 degrees. AB is the adjacent side, and BC is the opposite side. So tan A equals BC over AB, giving BC equals AB times tan A. So BC is 8 times tan 30, which is 4.62 centimetres. Well done! That's question 15 complete.